Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll see search insert positions. So that means the given array is 1, 3, 5, 5, 9. If the target is 1, I need to check the value which is available in the target, the position I need to return. That means if the target is 1, right? If assume like this is the array 1, 3, 5, 5, 9. So if we consider index, it's the 0th index, first index, second index, third and fourth index, correct? So if I pass the target as 1, I need to return the value as 0. In this array is 0th index. So this position I need to return. So that means in this case, if I pass 1, the output should be 0. So if I pass the value as 3, okay, position of the 3 is 1 now. So in that case, the 1 should be written. So output should be 1. So if I pass the value as 9, right? So in that case, the positions of the 9 is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 will be the output value. So if I pass as 5, definitely it will take from the first index, even though second and third positions it has the value 5. If the target is 5, right? If the target is 5, in that case the output value should be 2, because it start first index it should take. This is about whichever the existing value. If you send the value, target value, which is other than the value which is available in the array, suppose if I pass the value as 2, so in this case the position of 2 will be in between 1 and 3. So the output should be 1, because output should be 1 because 2 will be go and sit in between 1 and 3. So as this should be considered as an ascending order, okay, that's why the position should be 1. So if I pass the value as 4, so in that case the 4 will be in between 3 and 5. The position, the output, the insert position should be 2. So this is about if you pass in between other than the value. So if I pass the value greater than 9, suppose if I pass the value as 11, so what is the output now? The output should be 5, because 11 will go and sit after 9. So that's why 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the value should be 5. This is all about the requirement. Okay, what is the given data and what's the target and what the expected output. Now we need to implement this expectation into the logic, right? So what logic we can use to get this output? First, very simple way we can do this, very simple one. So first I need to check array of 0 index. Array of 0 index 1 I'm checking with the let me assume like I have the target is 1. So first it will check array of, first I will check array of 0 with the target value. If the array of I means, if array of z means it's a 0, array of I is greater than or equal to target is 1, then I need to pass the index as 0. So that is the output for me. So if I pass the value as 3 in this case, right? So I will compare with this one. So first I will compare array of 0 with the target. It is not greater than or equal to target, so I'm just incrementing the index. Means I mean to say I'm going to the next loop. So in that case I is equal to 1. So now again comparing 3 with target. So now it is greater than or equal to 3, greater than or equal to the targeted value. So in that case I need to return the index value as the output. In this case it is 1. So if I pass, similarly if I pass the value as 2 here, so if I pass value as 4, first it will compare with this one. So array of 0 is not greater than or equal to target, so it is incrementing by 1. So again array of I is comparing with the target value, still it is not greater than or equal to targeted value. Now I am comparing this. Array of I is comparing with this one. Yes, it is greater than equal to target. Now I'm sending the value as a position value, that is 2. Okay, this is how we can able to do. So suppose one more scenario we have. If you give the more than, suppose if I give value as 12 or something, it is greater than 9. In that case, right? simply I can return length of this array, because anyhow I need to get the last position, right? Because if I use the array of length, what it gives the value as 5, because 0 1 2 3 4, its array of length will be my output value if I pass which is greater than the existing value, right? So this is how we can able to do. We'll see how to do that. Okay, I have already written some piece of code for time saving purpose. So this is the public static while main. I have taken some array. Let me give some target as 1. Okay, so positions. So why I have taken this position? Because suppose assume like here 1 1, right? I'm comparing this value, right? Once it is done, it is compared. Now I'm saving this value to the position variable, so that I want that position variable as an output. Then I don't want to continue this process. So I need to take the break out of it, and I need to just simply I need to display the value. That's why I've taken initial position value as 0. Now I am defined on flag here. By default I am taking this as a false for loop here. So in this for loop, 1 by 1 value I need to compare with the target 1 by 1 value. So if the array of I is greater than or equal to targeted value, then I need to set the position as I. That's what I said, right? I need to return this value. I'm just returning this to the position. I'm just simply flag, I will make it set because true. That means I don't want to continue. If the flag is equal to true, I want to take the break, because I don't want to continue the next values. So that's why I have taken the break here. Flag is equal to true I have taken, because if just for indication that I have entered this loop, to make sure that I have entered this loop. If I entered this loop, in the sense I have got the value, I'm taken the break. See here, if the flag is equal to true, that's what condition statement I have written here. If the flag is equal to true, then return this position. That means what? The value which we got in between, right? So that means value which we are searching within the array, then that means that is value is entered that if loop. So directly I can pass as a positions. Directly I can send the respective index value I can send. But if the value it is not entered into the for loop, if loop in the sense, that means we are passing the greater than the value. Suppose if it is 15 or something, that means it is, in this case there is no possibility like array of I should not be greater than or equal to value. In that case it is not entering this value. In that case the flag will take the by default value as a flag false. So if the flag is false, then definitely which I already discussed, like we need to return the values array.length. I am passing the length value, because if I pass 15, the length of the array will be, in this case, 5. That's what my expectations. So this should work now, because let me run this and see. If I pass the 1, the output should be 0. That is correct. Let me pass at 2. If I pass the value as 2, the output should be like 0 and 1. The output should be 1, right? So similarly, see, we got the output as 1 here. If we pass the value as 9, then output should be 0 1 2 3 4. In that case the 4 should be displayed, right? It is displaying 4. Now if I pass the more than greater than the value exists in the array, suppose let me take 16. So if I run this, the length of the array should be displayed, that is 5. Still, if you have any doubt, you can put it in comment sections, and if you still want to simplify this program, you can write it in comment section, so that so viewers will get more idea on how we can simplify this program in a simple manner, right? And if you have any doubt on this program, please put it in comment section also. I will try to help you out. And finally, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button, and please share with your friends, those who are looking for the Java concept. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel for further useful videos, guys. Thank you.